Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Background Defocus button on your Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. So let's turn on the camera, and right now we can enable the background defocus by pressing the C1 button right here. So if you click it, you'll be able to turn on the background defocus. However, as you can see, it requires the lens to be applied, so let's quickly do that. Okay, so let's remove the lens cap and carefully apply the lens to our camera. Okay, so let's make sure that it clicks. Okay, so right now it's applied, and now we can enable background defocus, and background defocus will basically open up the camera aperture. So as you can see right now, it is set to clear. This means that the background defocus is disabled, and as you can see, the camera aperture is minimal practically. Now if we enable the defocus, the aperture will increase, and this will basically focus on the object right in front of us, while blurring all the background behind it. So let me take a quick photo to show you what it looks like. Okay, and now you can see the effect. So we focused basically exclusively on the object in front of us, and the background got blurred completely. So that's basically the primary function of this key, and you can see easily whether this feature is enabled just by looking at the aperture of your camera. And that's how you use this feature. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.